Here we are with the AeroPress coffee maker. It comes with a provided scoop, funnel, a stirring stick, AeroPress coffee maker, a plunger, and filter holder with filters. The longest part is waiting for the water to get hot. Add your coffee, level it out, add water to the number 2. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds with the stir stick. Insert the plunger. And this takes about 30 to 45 seconds to push down. So I may be rushing just a little bit here. And you push it all the way down till you feel a resistance. Now I've already added my sweetener and creamer to the insides here. And then you add water to fill up the glass, and then you have yourself it's got to be the best cup of coffee I've had in years. And that's the AeroPress.